So the road trip was 6 hours, probably more than that, but yeah, hence why I didn't get that much footage. But we got to the place, went to the Airbnb, rested for a bit, and then headed down to the beach.
See you hide yourself.
Yeah, I didn't bring my bikini, so that means I'm literally just gonna be like putting my feet in the water and not like actually going in. No, because I only have my bikini top with my shorts. Let's do it! That's so cool!
Then you said, don't you be afraid of being
hey, I'm over the vlog, but I'm here. I'm not gonna do anything. Hello.
Be more worried, it'll never begin. So I'll ask, how is life in Hollywood? If all your dreams came
We
true,
are out here having a burning glass. Everyone's looking at me, but make her. Ignore the literal broken nail.
Of angels has you entangled in a chimera of a dream. How is life in Hollywood for you? Now the tears roll down your eye. You can't hide all this loneliness inside, so you weep and cry.
Then we played in the water for quite a while. It was so much fun. Sat to watch the sunset. It was literally so pretty. Then I decided to have my little main character moment, and I read whilst watching the sunset. Literally amazing. This book is so good, you guys. You need to read it. 110% recommend. I think it has an age restriction though. But with being the main character, just live in the moment. Be yourself. Put yourself first. Be spontaneous. Go out of your comfort zone, go to a new place, try a new hobby, make new friends, and just do nice, fun, scary things. And that's where actual growth happens, and you'll feel so proud of yourself and accomplished afterwards. So, yeah, do something scary today.
Literally trying to untangle these is a nightmare.
Take a nigga bitch to the Motel 6. I'm whipping in the kitchen. That's a breeze to my mom and I told her whip it. 4 bands in the kitchen. Hey, 9 bands in the kitchen. I just fucking bitch. What? I just wrong wrist. Okay. I just fucking bitch.
Little main character.
I've been thinking about good times, so tell me all your worst lies. I believe them if I try, for the sake of time, just give me the eye. I've been thinking.
So this day was another beach day. This was just a beach holiday in general, but I didn't film much on this day since I did want to live in the moment and I kind of forgot to film in a way. But I did take a lot of pictures and videos, so I will definitely insert those for you guys.
Inside your mind, my dear. And do you find it terrifying then? You always let me know. You always let me go my way. You always let me know. You never let it show my deed. My only to the end. a paper plane, don't steer the way. You're told no more fun, it's off to work. You need to earn a dime to have any work, but I don't play that way. And I'm always gonna say, take us back to when we were kids. We didn't know how good we had it. Now we're all just sick and sad it. Take us back to before we grew up, before our problems blew up. We need that, hey, heads up, heads up. And I keep telling myself, it's gonna be okay, it's gonna be okay, yeah. And even when the sky keeps falling on my head, I'm standing on my feet and reaching for the stars, yeah. Take us back to when we were kids. We didn't know how good we had it. Now we're all just sick and saddened. Take us back to before we grew up, before our problems blew up.
You know, most times I like to just keep it simple. Know what I'm saying? Shit. Alright, let's get it. I think we're gonna have a wonderful time, and I haven't felt like
Flashlight.
Sorry, no. How was the situation between you and Bryce Hall? No.
No, Bryce Hall. No, I'm back, please.
Yeah. What's the situation between you and Noah? No, he's with Dixie now. No. Hey everyone. Okay, so we've just come out of the place and it was actually so good. Okay, the lighting is not giving. Okay, so we've just come out of the place and it was actually really good. And yeah, I took so many pictures where I looked like I was literally like on holiday. I wasn't. But like, you know what, it's for the IG. Like, you know what, I'm gonna keep the people guessing. You know, if you think I'm in like Costa Rica, you think that. I didn't tell you that, so you know what, I didn't lie. Yeah, you're just assuming.
So yeah, now we are going home, and probably after that we're gonna go to the beach again for a swim, because period. And yeah, I haven't vlogged much, like too much. Like I would have wanted to vlog more, but like, you know, it is what it is. And yeah, love you.
Life's like a paper plane, don't steer the way. You're told no more fun, it's off to work. You need to earn a dime to have any work, but I don't play that way. And I'm always gonna say, take us back to when we were kids. We didn't know how good we had it. Now we're all just sick and sad. Take us back to before we grew up, before our problems blew up. We really needed that, hey, heads up.
Take my hand and hold it tight. Look at the paintings, I'll be your guide. Don't stop looking in my eyes. Are you cold? Do you want to sit down? I've been here a million times, so I know my way around. Don't stop looking at me.
Hey guys, so we've just come to the beach and it's a very, very high tide, so there's no sun, so that's great. But then we're just sitting down, you know, enjoying the view. But like, we would have liked to like have a swim, but you know what, that's not happening because there's practically no water, as you guys probably saw before, so that's not possible. So yeah, right now I'm just enjoying the view. We're probably gonna wait until like sunset, like for the sunset vibes, just take photos, and then we're gonna leave. And yeah, sadly we are leaving tomorrow, so I've enjoyed this little trip, you know, but all good things come to an end. This was my outfit. This was like, you know, like the top and then the bikini that I wore yesterday. But you know what, don't bash me. But yeah, it was gonna be a really cute outfit, but it's fine. Like, I wanted to take pictures, but then my phone is like not the best quality. It's good, but it's not the best. So then I asked my mom for a phone and she said no, so you know, okay, like we get it. But like, still, the view's still pretty and I look pretty and everything's just pretty. So when I get back home, I'm probably gonna like, I have like sponsorships, a lot of things about brands to do, so I'm excited for that. I'm excited to film and just get back on my grind, really, because I've been chilling, which has been good, but you know, I love being on my grind as well, and like uploading videos, editing each day, having my coffee. I miss coffee so much. I haven't had it in such a long time, and you know, as an addict, I just, you know, I really need it in my system. So yeah, I'll probably catch you guys at sunset and just show you guys the view, and then we're gonna leave and get home. So yeah, I haven't really filmed like inside the place because like I can't bother to do that, and like it's not very eventful because all we do is like sleep and then we get up. It's not that deep, but yeah.
You in the backyard of your old farm in the summer. Stayed there for 3 weeks where we learned to love each other. Wrote you letters, sent a message to the present. Haven't been so happy ever. Sitting in your room, working on my first record. Skip to the present, and I still haven't released it. But it's okay, 'cause